food items in your kitchen pantry dictate the overall health of your family. We bring you food items you should not have in your pantry for healthier eating and lifestyle. There are many grocery items that must be stored in your kitchen for your daily needs. Every household makes a list of items required for every month and brings home bags and bags full of things for the whole family. And if you are in charge of your family's food consumption, meal preps, grocery shopping, and overall nutrition, you should know. Here are certain unhealthy foods you should discard while you are cleaning and decluttering, and attempting to shift to healthier eating.
Here are 6 foods you need to remove from your kitchen today for healthy eating habits. Number 1. Ketchup. Store-bought tomato ketchup is one of the biggest sources of chemicals, salt and sugars. Try grinding your homemade tomato for the perfect tasty twist in your flavors. Number 2. Mayonnaise. This item is high in saturated fat and can affect your health severely. Adding mayonnaise to anything can make it tasty but can also add to your cholesterol levels. Number 3. Instant noodles. Noodles or instant noodles contain the highest amounts of preservatives and sodium. This essential food can prove to be not just unhealthy but could be harmful in the long run as well when consumed regularly. Number 4. Sauces. Sauces like Dijon mustard, chocolate syrup, jam and jelly contain class 2 harmful preservatives that could also lead to severe bodily ailments. Number 5. Processed cheese. Cheese is mouth-watering and adds a zing to any and most food items it is added to, but did you know it is equally because of its harmful preservatives and calorie content? Number 6. Fried frozen foods. All these pre-made, half-processed goods are highly toxic to your body because these are already fried once and you end up frying them again. You can only imagine the horror your body goes through.